The forward lunge is a cornerstone exercise for anyone seeking to build strength, enhance balance, and improve overall flexibility. As a dynamic movement, it not only sculpts the lower body but also engages the core, promoting stability and functional fitness. Primarily, the forward lunges target the quadriceps, hamstrings, and the gluteal muscle, making it a highly effective exercise for comprehensive lower body development. How to do the forward lunge. Number 1, stand tall with your hip width apart and your hands on your hips or at your sides for balance. Number 2, take a controlled step forward with your right foot. The step should be large enough that your knee does not go past with your toes when you lunge. Number 3, bend both knees to lower into a lunge position. Your front knee should be at a 90-degree angle with the knee directly above your ankle. Your back knee should lower towards the ground but not touch it, forming a 90-degree angle as well. Number 4, push back to the starting position by pressing through the heel of your front foot. Keep your core tight and chest lifted. Number 5, step forward with your left leg and repeat the same movement. Number 6, repeat performing 10 to 12 repetitions on each leg, alternating legs with each step and adjust reps based on your fitness level. Benefits of forward lunge. 1. Strengthens lower back muscle. Forward lunge work the quadricep, hamstring, glutes, and calves. Number 2. Improves balance stability. This unilateral movement requires balance and coordination, enhancing stability in daily activities and reducing the risk of falls. Next, enhanced hip flexibility. The stretch in the hip flexor during lunge improves range of motion, making everyday movement more fluid. Next, increases the functional fitness. Lunges mimic movement is in sport and daily activities like walking, running, and climbing stairs, making these tasks easier and more efficient. Next, correct muscle imbalances. As a unilateral exercises, lunges help identify and correct muscle imbalances, strengthening weakness, and developing a more symmetrical body.